Hey guys, we got the 2017 Rogue here. Got a towel stuck in the back of the trunk. Took away this big piece here. It's got these little nice pops, they just pop off. But I couldn't figure out where the lever was inside of this, so I just took it off. I still can't figure out the lever looking at it. This is what it looks like over here. No clue where the lever was. Not a mechanic. Just trying to save some money. Came back here. Look down to here, over here. See a towel stuck there. Okay, see the white thing moving. That's where the lever is. Let's go in here. See if we can fix it. Got no idea what I'm doing. Gonna pause and try to figure this out one more time. Oh, here it is. Let's see. We're gonna need to pause. I got it, but can't figure out the mechanism to push it open. Just a second. Got it open. Just needed some brute force, and I couldn't do it with one hand in the camera. Hope you don't have that issue. Make sure nothing gets stuck under there when you close the door.